Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer color grades with LUTs between Premiere and Resolve step by step clearly. Begin by opening your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Select the clip or clips that you want to transfer the color grade from. Navigate to the color workspace by clicking on the Color tab. In the Lumetri Color panel, click on the Creative section. Locate the LUTs you want to export and note their settings. Next, open the Effects Controls panel. Right-click on the Lumetri Color effect and select Copy. Now, open DaVinci Resolve. Create a new project or open your existing project. Import the same clips you used in Premiere. Select the timeline where the clips are located. Go to the Color workspace in Resolve. Select the clip where you want to apply the LUT. In the Color panel, right-click in the Nodes area and choose Add Node to create a new node. With the new node selected, locate the LUTs folder in the Color panel. Browse through the available LUT options to find a similar LUT that matches your Premiere settings. Apply the selected LUT to the node. To refine the color grade further, use the color wheels and other grading tools available in Resolve. If you want to export your own custom LUT from Premiere, go back to Premiere. In the Lumetri Color panel, click on the Export.cube button. Choose a location on your computer to save the LUT file. Now return to DaVinci Resolve. Once the LUT is saved, go to the Color panel and right-click in the LUTs folder. Select Import LUT and navigate to the saved LUT file. Import the LUT and apply it to your clip as needed. Adjust your grading in Resolve to match the desired look. By following these steps, you'll successfully transfer color grades using LUTs between Premiere and Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.